Hello and welcome! Peach season just started in America, so in this video I'll be showing you how to make a peach galette. It's a free-form tart, meaning you don't need any fancy tins to make it, which is just peachy. Let's get baking. First, make the crust. Combine the flour, sugar, and pinch of salt into the bowl of a food processor. Add the cold butter and pulse 4 to 5 times until the texture of the dough becomes like breadcrumbs. Drizzle in the cold water and pulse a few more times until the dough just comes together and looks a bit shredded but smooth. Take out the dough onto a floured surface and mold it into a ball, being careful not to overwork it. Roll it out to slightly thick, then cover it and place in the fridge for 1 hour. In a bowl, toss all of the ingredients: the peaches, lemon juice, brown sugar, fresh ginger, this is optional, pinch of salt, vanilla extract, the cinnamon. Toss all of the ingredients, making sure the peaches are well coated. Hopefully you don't forget the arrowroot powder like I did. I prefer to use arrowroot powder because it doesn't get clumpy like cornstarch, but you can use cornstarch as well. Take out your dough and let it sit for 10 minutes. It should be somewhat cold, but still workable. Roll the dough out into a circle about 11 inches all around. Place the peach mixture in the center of the circle and spread it out. Leave about 2 inches of dough around the perimeter. Then, begin to fold the extra dough over on top of the peaches. Since it's meant to look rustic, you can do this any way you like. I also brush my dough with some melted vegan butter, but this is optional. Bake your galette at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 55 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Let the galette cool and keep at room temperature. The peaches get sweeter the longer you let it sit, so try to savor it throughout the day. Feel free to experiment with apples and other fruit as well. Enjoy this rustic spring galette, and thank you for watching.